Hey there, math scholars. I want to take a moment in this lesson to look at story problems where the start is unknown and really talk about what it's saying and how you can set it up in order to solve it. This is from our workbook and it's page 200 and something, 239, I believe. You will notice that it is part of your practice this week. So this gives you a good opportunity to follow along with me while you're doing your own workbook page. So it says, how many balloons? Solve each problem, show your work, write an equation. Boys and girls, that's really, really important to remember. I am looking for all three of those things. I am looking for you to solve it. I am looking for your equation, and I am looking for your work. So be sure that you are including all three of those things. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first problem. Jake had some balloons. He went to the store and bought 20 more balloons. Now Jake has 29 balloons. How many balloons did Jake start off with? All right, so there are some keywords here that I want you to pay very close attention to. So I'm going to grab my pen tool here, and we're going to look at some of these very important words here. Jake had some balloons. Some balloons. We do not know how many. Okay. He went to the store and bought 20 more balloons. 20 more. So that means you're getting more of them. So your number is getting bigger. Now Jake has 29 balloons. How many balloons did Jake start with? Okay, that alone lets us know that this is a start unknown problem. Some balloons, so some, I'm going to represent this with our unknown box here. Okay, he went to the store and bought 20 more. 20 more. We're adding here because he's getting more. So plus 20. Okay. Now, that is a key word for your equal sign, guys. That's how many is going to be your result. Now, Jake has 29 balloons. So I'm going to use my equal sign and 29. How many balloons did Jake start with? So we need to figure out that starting amount. From our previous videos, I told you in this type of problem, what you're actually needing to do is subtract. So we're going to subtract the change, that's 20, from the result, which is 29. So what you are really solving here is 29 take away 20 is equal to unknown. And that's going to give you that starting amount. So let's go ahead and let's decide how we want to solve this. I'm going to use two different strategies, one for the first problem and a different one for the second problem. For this one, I'm going to use our sticker notation. So since I'm actually solving 29 take away 20, I'm going to draw out 29 in sticker notation. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I need to take away 20. I'm going to change my color here so you can see what I'm doing. 20. There's no 1, so I don't have to take any 1s away, but I do need to take away 20. 10, 20. Okay, let's see what we're left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to put 9 in my unknown box. So I am starting off with 9 balloons. So I'm also going to write that. 9 balloons. Okay. So let's see. Did I solve the problem? Yes. Did I show my work? Absolutely. And did I write an equation? Yep, 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 and yep. Awesome. Let's take a look at the next problem. Okay, so our next problem says Kira has some balloons. There's that word some again. some balloons. She gives 12 to Sally. Oh, okay, this could be different. She gives 12 to Sally. She is not getting more this time. She's giving them away. That is our key word that we are subtracting this time. So gives. She gives 12 to Sally. Now, there's that keyword for our equals. This could be our result. Now Kira has 20 balloons left. How many balloons did Kira have to start with? Okay, so just like last time, some balloons. We're going to start with our unknown. Some balloon. She gives 12 to Sally. Give 12. What symbol do I need to use? Okay, so if I'm using the addition symbol, that means that I'm getting more. Well, I'm not getting more balloons here. I'm giving them away, so I'm losing them. So I must use the subtraction sign. So unknown take away 12 is equal to 20. Okay. Now, this is different from number 1. When we have an unknown start where the change is actually subtraction, in order to find that start, we have to actually add the change and the result together. The change and result together will give you the starting amount. Remember, Kira gave 12 away. We end up with 20. If we gave 12 away, our number has to be greater than 20. So we need to actually add this. So let me change my color again so you can see what I'm doing. So what I'm actually solving is 20 plus 12. That is what I'm actually solving. Okay, I used sticker notation last time. I'm going to go ahead and use a number line this time. So let me draw this out. And I'm going to start with 12, just because I noticed 20 is just 10, so it'll be easier on my number line to do that. So there's 12, 20. Well, 20 is 2 10, 10, 20. So 12 and 10 more. All right, only my 10s are changing. So 10, 12 is 10 and 2. So 10 and 10 is 20. So that's 22. Okay. I'm just going to make a little label here to remind myself that was 10. Now, I need to do it again. Let's jump another 10. This could be another 10 here. Okay, so 22 and 10 more. 22. 20 and 10 more. 20, 30. 30. And my ones are not changing, so it's 32. Oh, that must mean that Kira had 32 balloons at the start. Let me write that down here. Let's crunch it in. Okay, if I use that little white space next to it like I had to do it. All right, so did I solve it? Most certainly did. Did I show my work? Yes, indeedy. Did I write an equation? Absolutely. So there you go, boys and girls. Good luck.